all, welcome back to Epilepsy Thursdays. I'm Casey and Accept Epilepsy. So throughout the month of April, we are going to discover some exercises, not discover actually, I'm just going to show you some exercises that you can do, that people with epilepsy can do regardless of how much stressful it might be. I mean, there are certain exercises that we cannot do, but the rest of them we can do, right? And this month's sponsors are Instagourmet. I'm holding the multigrain porridge right now. So as you can see it, I've added all the links in the description box below. And yes, if you ordered it from Amazon, you can use my code, that is EWQ15OFF. So if you use that code, you will get 15% flat discount. हाँ जी, अगर आप Amazon से ऑर्डर करते हैं और मेरा कोड इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो कि है EWQ15OFF, तो आपको फ्लैट 15% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. So let's begin. Today I'm going to show you the warm-up exercises. How to warm up, because you cannot just start exercising like the moment you decide कि अभी मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना है तो डायरेक्टली आप एक्सरसाइज करना शुरू नहीं कर सकते. उसके पहले आपको वार्म अप करना, आपकी बॉडी को वार्म अप करना काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है. तो आई एम गोना शो यू a few warm up exercises. So let's begin with our head. So we are going top to bottom. Let's start with our neck exercises. So yeah, for that, the first is this. So you look up, center, down, center, up, center, down, center, right, center, left, center. ये सेंटर में आना क्यों ज़रूरी है? ये सेंटर में आना इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर हम डायरेक्ट ऊपर से नीचे देखते हैं तो शायद स्पाइनल फ्लूइड पे असर होने का चांसेस है, और जिसकी वजह से आपको मिर्गी का दौरा ही आएगा, ऐसी बात नहीं है, पर आपको शायद चक्कर आ सकता है. It is extremely important to look in the center. Like when you look up, you have to look at the center, not directly go down, because what happens is when you move your head at a certain speed without halting in between, there's a possibility of you losing your balance because of the fluids in our the spinal fluids might be influenced, so there's a possibility of fainting or falling down, losing our balance. So it is very important to come back at center. I'm going to show you how. So 1, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, center, 5, center, 6, center, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Now, right, center, left, center. So you're nodding, but you have to try to touch your ear to the neck. Obviously not like this, but as far as possible. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now you're gonna turn your entire neck. So the chin has to touch your chest as well. You can't just rotate it this way. Try to connect your chin to your neck as well. Okay, so this is the axis. This is not the axis. This is the axis. And we do the other way around as well. So these are our head exercises. Now you have to warm it up. I haven't technically warmed my neck muscles as they should be to continue exercising, because that will take forever, right? I want to quickly show you as to what those exercises are. But before we head on, a big shout out to our sponsors of the month, that are Insta Gourmet. I am holding on to the multigrain porridge, that is Dalia, and it actually helps because it's extremely simple to make, and they have actually given instructions at the back so as to how to make it as well. So you can try it out, you can try different recipes as well with it, and let me know how you found it out. स्पेशली सीजर के बाद दलिया बनाना काफ़ी आसान हो जाता है और ताकत भी मिलती है, क्योंकि हमें ताकत नहीं होती सीजर के बाद कुछ भी खाना पकाने की, करेक्ट? सो दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाई दिस कम्स हैंडी. सो नाउ लेट्स गेट ऑन टू आवर हैंड एक्सरसाइजेस. सो फ्रॉम आवर neck we move on to our hands. Rotate it completely. अगर आपसे इतना ही रोटेट हो पा रहा है तो जितना आपसे हो पा रहा है उतना कीजिए. हमें ट्राई ऐसे रोटेट करने की कोशिश करनी है, पर अगर नहीं हो रहा है, जितना हो पा रहा है उतना आप कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हमें कोई कंपटीशन में हिस्सा नहीं लेना है, हमें खाली तंदुरुस्त रहना है. हमें हमारे लिए ये एक्सरसाइजेस करने हैं, ना कि किसी और के लिए. वी आर नॉट एंटरिंग इनटू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कंपटीशन, सो वी हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ओवर द फैक्ट दैट इट्स फाइन इफ यू कैन नॉट completely move your arm or your shoulder. As long as even if you can move it this much, that is fine, because we have to look after our own health. We are not competing here, we are doing this for our own selves. So now the other way around. The other thing is, take the entire hand. I'm gonna go back slightly and show you. So do it with the entire hand. the back stroke. अगर आपसे पूरी तरह से नहीं हो पा रहा, कोई बात नहीं है, इतना हो पा रहा है तो भी कीजिए. Like I said, we are not in a competition. We are doing this for our own selves. So you have to warm your body up. Once you have warmed your hands, we go down to our midriff. Now for that I have to change the angle slightly, which is why I'm gonna like pause. So yes, for our midriff I'm going to show you how to warm up our midriff. But before that, a big shout out to our sponsors, which are Instagourmet. Right now I'm holding their dalia, the porridge, and it's really easy to make. They've actually given the recipe right behind, so you can follow the recipe or you can come up with your own recipe. So how do we do our midriff exercises? Well, stretch and down, stretch and down. You can stretch your hands as well. I'm gonna go further back. Stretch and down. I'm gonna show that to you in detail when we concentrate more on our midriff, like in the coming videos. But right now I'm just showing you like a second of it. So yes, so just reach out to the sky. You have to reach out to the sky as much as possible so that your muscles straighten. So reach out as if you want to like hold on to something, grab on something. So just reach out and down. So you can see my belly, like when I'm reaching out and when I'm letting it go. I'll be going in detail about it later on. So yes, stay tuned for the coming videos. Before I go on to show you our thigh exercises, a big shout out to Instagourmet yet again, and let's get on with our thighs. So I have to change the angle again. So yes, the best exercise for our thighs to warm them up is squatting. Yeah. Oh, I need to go lower than that. But I will be, yes, sorry about that. So I will be going in depth when it comes to squatting as well. So don't worry about it. Don't think that I won't be showing you exactly. I will be talking about it in depth in the coming videos. But right now I'm just introducing you to the warm-ups. So yes, when it comes to the thighs, so when you do those type of squats, it really does help, and your thighs should start burning. वो थाई के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा होता है जब थाई वार्म अप हो जाता है जब आप वो वाले एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं. अगेन so yeah, that does help, and as I said, I'll be going in depth. मैं काफ़ी इन डिटेल आपको आने वाले वीडियोस में बताने वाली हूँ. So now let's go on to our feet. You're not going to be able to see my face during this. आप मेरा चेहरा नहीं देख पाओगे, बट मैं आपको आप मेरे पैर देखेंगे जो कि रेत में फंसे हुए पूरे सैंड से भरे हैं. So not the most perfectly pedicured legs that feet that you are going to be seeing, but you will be seeing feet that are covered with the sand. So yes, what are the exercises that you can do to warm up your feet? Point, flex, point, flex. Now the thing is, you don't have to point and flex at the height that I showed it to you. I'll show you exactly how you can do it. Hi, so yes, अभी आप सिर्फ मेरे पैर देखेंगे. Now you will be able to see only my feet. So that is all that you are supposed to do. Just point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. This helps to strengthen your ankles. This really helps to strengthen your ankles. It helps warm up your feet as well, because your feet are necessary to warm up in order to continue doing the rest of the exercises. आपके पैर भी वार्म अप होने ज़रूरी है जब आप आगे जाके एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं तब. तो इसीलिए feet warming exercises. Point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. So another variation that you can do in the point and flex thing is point, flex, point, side, back. Point, flex, point, side, back. Point, flex, point, front, down. Point, flex, point, front, down. So yes, you can do all of these exercises. So well, parting note, a big shout out yet again to Instagourmet. अगर आप Amazon से ऑर्डर करते हैं तो मेरी लिंक इस्तेमाल करना ना भूलिए. That is EWQ15OFF. EWQ15OFF. तो शून्य नहीं है तो O आहे. So yes, do check that out and get flat 15% का discount. So don't you go anywhere, because like every Thursday I am showcasing you some really interesting exercises that you can do at home or anywhere. And stay fit, stay strong, keep fighting, and as always, stay happy, stay golden.